Ato DJ Chopsuey kun kakunayo mag nga paglalauki kon sa ako'y kanti ibap. Ati ka Chopsuey soup. Agad ang tanong na. Sa pilok makayatanda. Takpay itlog na. Pugo o nalami di Asian store. Ano nga tatigat na ni mother-in-law? Talo, I love you. Patikin bakay ko, I love you so much. Talo lima. Alright, mga nan. Enjoy the soup. Enjoy the Chopsuey soup.
Chopsuey soup. Oh my goodness, you know.
Your goodness. For the first time in the history, I make Chopsuey soup. Okay?
No, it's not okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Vegetables are crunchy.
You mean you're not done?
Depends on what your definition of done is.
Crunchy, crunchy. Don't eat yet, mother. It's hot. Wait for 1 hour.
You're kidding.
I'm not. Because you're going to cough again. How is it?
Food.
It's food. Is it yummy or what?
Yeah.
Mother, is it yummy or what?
Oh yeah.
You think
So yummy I can't even. Where'd you get them little legs?
What legs?
Eggs.
Or eggs? Eggs from my husband. His eggs. I chop it.
Oh, he lays eggs, does he?
Uh-huh.
Ah.
I chop his eggs. The two balls. Wow. Right? And then chop like that. And then I mold it. So it's like that. Mungay na lang data.
Those are quail eggs.
Quail eggs. So while I'm cooking, mother, gossiping to me.
Why?
She's interested about the gossip.
Okay.
We gossip about you and the girls.
Okay.
How'd it come out?